Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro yen has definitely been drifting down for a while now, but it has not been able to take out this low. And because of my higher time frame analysis, I'm very, very bullish on this unless it does take out the low. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. We just made a 78% Fib bounce. We made an impulsive up. We made a break of structure. I would definitely be keeping an eye out on shorter time frames for long opportunities because this very easily could make another higher low, and just keep on trending up, especially because of our higher time frame analysis. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we had a nice impulsive up. We had a break of structure. And there's a pretty good chance this move down right here is a correction to this last move up. So if it does make a nice engulfing move up, then I would definitely take it as a long. I mean, there is a chance that it turns out to be an A, B, C, and then goes down again. But because of our higher time frames, there's probably a better chance that it's actually just going to keep on going up, making those higher highs, higher lows. So definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.